Welcome to the sacred space of healing and transformation. This guided meditation is designed to help you release fear stored in your subconscious mind and replace it with calm, confidence, and inner strength. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably or lie down if that feels better for you. Now close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. As you settle in, allow yourself to feel supported by the ground beneath you. You are safe, you are loved, and you are here to heal. Take another deep breath in and slowly let it out. Repeat these for few times. With every breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Feel the tension leaving your body. Relax your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Let your arms grow heavy, your chest soften, and your legs completely release any tension. Now focus on your breath. As you inhale, feel the cool air entering your body, filling you with calm. And as you exhale, imagine releasing fear, letting it flow out like a gentle stream, far away from you. Now bring to mind a place where you feel completely safe and at peace. It could be a quiet forest, a sunny beach, or even a cozy corner in your home. Visualize this place in great detail. See the colors, hear the sounds, and feel the warmth. As you stand in this space, imagine a golden light surrounding you. This light represents trust and security. It wraps around you like a comfortable blanket, shielding you from fear and filling you with confidence. feel the strength of this light flowing through you, touching every part of your body and mind. Now say to yourself, I'm safe, I'm protected, I'm strong. Now let's speak directly to your subconscious mind, the part of you that holds all fears and patterns. Gently place your hand on your heart and repeat these affirmations silently in your mind, feeling the power of each word. I release all fear that no longer serves me. I trust in my ability to face life with courage and ease. I'm free to live fully and confidently. As you say these affirmations, visualize the golden light growing brighter, melting away any lingering fear. Imagine those fears transforming into small particles of dust, carried away by a soft breeze. Now visualize a symbol of strength, a mountain, a tree, or a shining diamond. See this symbol as a reflection of who you are. Resilient, grounded, and unshakable. Let it embed itself in your subconscious mind, becoming a part of your identity. As we prepare to close, take a moment to feel gratitude for this time of healing, for your courage to face your fears, and for the infinite potential within you. Take one more deep breath in, filling yourself with light and strength. And exhale fully, releasing any remaining tension. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel yourself returning to the present moment. bringing this calm energy with you. Now open your eyes slowly, carrying a sense of peace and empowerment into the rest of your day. You are free from fear. You are whole. You are limitless. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Remember, you are stronger and braver than you know, and the power to transform your life lies within you. If you found this meditation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Until we meet again, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay fearless. Take care.